Time to get serious about the CB650. So I decided to pull the carburetors off again. I've been doing a lot of thinking about them, and I'm just not confident that whoever rebuilt them before I bought the bike has everything together exactly how it should be. So I'm gonna pull them off, do a little visual inspection, something I should have done months ago, and then put them back on. Sync them, ride this bike. Life always presents these beautiful little challenges for us. I pulled those carburetors off and drained the gasoline out of the bowls. The gas wasn't looking great. It was kind of a maroon rusty color. So now I'm gonna tear them all apart, go over them completely, clean them real well, reassemble, put them back on, then ride the bike. Well, we got the carbs off, got them all broken apart, and there was a lot of gross, varnishy fuel in the float bowls. Not a good scenario. So we took them all apart, took all the jets out, the float bowls, all that stuff. It's all soaking. I did not break the carbs all apart though. I kind of left them together just for simplicity. I think the solution will get in all the nooks and crannies good enough to clean all that varnishy grossness out of there and really free up those passages. So we'll let that soak for 3 or 4 days and get that thing reassembled. Carburetor update. Last night I pulled the carbs out of the cleaning solution to start the reassembly process. And as you can see, there is plenty of debris and sludge and garbage in that solution. So the solution definitely did its trick, which is great. So those of you that have watched any amount of videos on this channel understand that I kind of do things half-ass, only to realize that it needs to be done the right way much further down the road, and I end up redoing a lot of stuff. And these carb rebuilds were no different. I intended to put them back together with all the existing components, slap them on the bike and see if we couldn't get it running. But as I was pulling the parts out of the solution, I realized I'm just missing too many things like O-rings and vacuum lines and things that I'm not gonna do that this time. I'm just gonna order a complete rebuild kit and we will get those assembled correctly, the right way, the first time, slap them on the bike and then move on with our lives. And as I'm sitting here, I see this box over here I completely forgot about. I ordered a brand new welder to fix the mower deck when it broke over the summer and I haven't done it yet. So while we wait for the carb parts to come in, let's crack this box open and teach ourselves how to weld. What could go wrong? And yes, this is one of the absolute cheapest MIG welders I could find on Amazon. I did research on it, and a lot of professional welders do these videos where they test out the really cheap stuff. And very often they say, if you're just doing projects here and there around the house, they work fine. You can't be a professional welder with them, but I'm not trying to be a professional welder. Okay, so the truth is, I do have a tiny bit of welding experience. Way back in the day, way back in the day. I'm talking 25 years ago. I did a little stick welding, And I was fairly decent at it, but this is a completely different ballgame. See how it goes. Yo, I am so happy with that weld. I may submit it to Welding Times Magazine's Weld of the Year. Now, but truthfully, for the first time ever using a MIG welder, I was super happy with that. I still don't know what the heck I'm doing as far as settings and speed and things like that with the feed. I mean, this thing's holding great. So, I guess it worked. Currently gonna run to Home Depot to get some black spray paint, which should be fun because it's freaking Black Friday if you're keeping track at home. So hopefully it won't be too much of a madhouse in there. And I know at least one of you hates when I drive and talk to the camera at the same time. Sorry, bossy. I'll be fine though. Adventure we've been on today. Yes, we are further behind on the CB650 than we were when we started this video, but I think ordering the car parts and doing a full rebuild is the right thing to do. So we'll tackle that in the next video. In the meantime, I want to test out this mower. We got it welded, we got it painted, we got the mower deck installed, I got it leveled, and I think it's ready to go. We'll do a little mowing to make sure it's all checking out perfectly.